Guide to Beat the Market by Denis Stelmak, Part 1. I am sure that if you want to beat the stock market, you have to buy only good companies, and I have 5 simple criteria. I'm trying to buy companies with 20+% CAGR, and it is very important because lots of people measure companies in a price to sales ratio. If the price to sales will be on the same level, the share price will grow. Second, I don't really like companies who talk about the future and that they're going to change it. In 99% of cases it is a bullshit, and you can just pass these companies because they can act really badly and they can have a 10 years plus investment horizon. Third, if we're not talking about e-commerce business, I prefer companies with 20+% in margin or net income, you can call it how you like it. With this amount of margin, probably you can find some competitive advantage. And imagine, if you have unlimited amount of money, it is still very hard to copy Microsoft or Apple. Fourth, it is really boring, but I prefer to understand how they will act for the next 3 to 5 years, and that is why I'm reading all 10K forms. And the last one, very specific, do not buy companies where debt higher than the equity. And you can make a screenshot right now or write it down in your phone. Revenue CAGR 20% plus, SEO with focus on money, 20% plus margin, 3-5 years plan, and debt lower than the equity. As a homework, find 3 companies that fill all of these criteria and write tickers in the comment section down below. In the next video I will show you some great stocks examples. Subscribe to this channel. This guide will be absolutely free of charge, and if you like the first part, please push the like button.